Hello friends, welcome back to my channel IT Parivar. So guys, in the last video, we learned how to assign a role to user. Okay, in this video, I will show you how to remove a role from user in Microsoft Entra ID quickly and securely. Okay, so here you can see I have logged into portal.azure.com. In same way, you need to log in to portal.azure.com using your credential, and then you need to go to portal menu. Okay, here. Once you will click here, then you will see Microsoft Intra ID. Okay, so click on that Microsoft Intra ID, and then if manage option is already expanded, it's okay. Otherwise, expand it and go to users. Once you'll go to the users, all users will be visible here. Okay, so in the last video we have assigned few roles for this user Ramesh Kumar. Okay, let's remove the assigned role. Okay, for this user, even not all role, if any role which have administrative privilege. Okay, so let's go to assigned roles. See, there are two roles assigned to this user: agent ID administrator and global administrator. Okay, so this global administrator role is like a privileged role. Okay, or we can say topmost role. Okay, which can change anything. Okay, so if you have by mistakenly assigned role to any user like this one, global administrator, okay, you can remove. Okay, so select this and click to remove assignment, and then click to yes. Here you can see successfully removed assignment. Let's close this notification. Now only this agent ID administrator role is showing here. Let's refresh once. See, so we have successfully removed global administrator role from this user. In same way, you can remove assigned role, okay, from the user profile and keep your environment secure. Okay, so guys, I hope this video will be helpful for you. So I'll request you to please subscribe my channel IT Parivar, click on bell icon, and don't forget to like and share with your friends. Thanks for watching IT Parivar. Bye bye.